everybody, welcome back to my channel Friday Fidgets, and in today's video I'm going to be making DIY lotion. So please be sure to like and subscribe to Friday Fidgets and enjoy the video. Let's get started. So for this DIY lotion, you are going to be needing something to make your lotion in. I'm using this little cap of a vending machine container and something to mix with, and I'm using a toothpick. Okay, and then the materials you're going to be needing is you're going to be needing some conditioner, and it doesn't matter what color, but I'm just using this white one because white looks like lotion. So this, you don't have to use this one, but I'm using this one. It happens to be white. This is Rusk Sensory's Calm Nourishing Conditioner. So I'm using that. And then I'm also, then you're also going to need some aloe vera. And I'm using this Walgreens one. And then you're gonna need some water, and I just filled a little container with water. And lastly, this is optional if you want it to make a certain smell. Just to make it smell better, if you want, you can use whatever perfume you want, whatever smelling perfume you want. So I'm using this perfume. So I'm gonna use this perfume to make it smell. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is get your container and you're gonna put some conditioner in there. This one's a pump, so I'm just gonna pump some in there. And you wanna put as much lotion as you want. I mean, as much conditioner as you want lotion. This is hard. It's running out. I'm gonna open it up and put a tiny bit in. Okay, just a tiny bit. There we go, that's plenty. Okay, so now that I have this, I'm just gonna mix it a little bit first. Okay, so I mixed it for a little bit, and now for my next step, I'm going to add a tiny bit of my aloe vera. Don't want too much. There. And it might start to turn into slime when you mix it, but you don't want that, so just keep mixing, okay? There, I added that much aloe vera. This kind of gives it texture, and now I'm gonna mix this around. You can see it might be turning into slime a tiny bit, but you don't want that, so just keep mixing. Okay, and now we're gonna put in just a tiny bit of water, and you're gonna mix it. And basically, you want your lotion to be like a nice, smooth, creamy texture. So mix it a little bit. You can keep adding water, but after this, after you do this, you're gonna put it in the fridge, which also makes it smoother. Okay, so once you've added your water, you should have something that looks like this. Now you're gonna put this into the fridge. Do not put it into the freezer. And put it into the fridge for about half an hour. And I'm gonna pause the video and then I'll see you soon once it's been in the fridge for half an hour. Okay. Okay, so I'm back and I just took my lotion out of the fridge after about half an hour. So let's see how it turned out. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. But don't worry, it's not done yet, so. Okay, so I mixed it up a little bit, and now we're gonna add some more water, and we're just gonna keep adding water. Oops, that was too much. So I'm gonna pour a little bit back. But basically, we're just gonna keep adding water until it gets to the perfect texture. Basically, you want it to be smooth and creamy. And think about this. If it were to be in a dispenser like Lotion, would it come out? Okay, so just keep mixing until you get to the texture you like and keep adding more water. A tiny bit more. Okay, so it's pretty smooth and creamy. And now, for the final step, if this part is optional, but if you want, here is when you add the perfume. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this perfume to make it smell good. Okay, there, now it's coming out. Okay, so I added a little bit of perfume, and I'm gonna mix it. And now your lotion. This one smells like, let's see what it smells like. Ooh, now it smells really good. It smells like sweet, like just flowers. It's really good smelling. Okay, so you can mix as much as you want, add as much water as you want, but I like this texture. It's like smooth and creamy. And this is the DIY lotion. Here, I'm gonna put some on and see if it worked. Putting some of this lotion on, rubbing it in. Some more. And it feels good, and my hands smell good too. Okay, so this is the DIY lotion, and I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to Friday Fidgets. Thanks for watching. Bye.